Hello again. So this time we will talk about solving quadratic equation by completing square method. Then, what's the meaning of completing square method? So before we discussing about this method, we're going to talk about the meaning of completing square form. Okay. So one of the completing square form is x square, because this one is we have same thing, x times x here. So this is the one of the typical completing square form. Another one I can say x plus 1 square as well, because this means x plus 1 times 1. So in other words, we can also say maybe x squared plus 2x minus 4 times x squared plus 2x minus 4. They also completing square form, because this become x squared plus 2x minus 4 square. So like this, the same thing happened twice at the same time. We can rewrite as that something to the square power. That we say completing square form. Okay. Then the meaning, we solving equation by completing square form, which means we're gonna make one side looks like something square, and then make the solve the question. Okay, then look at one example here. So we will begin the basic form first. So now we have x squared equal to let's say 9. Then what are you gonna do to solve this problem? Yes, we usually take square root on both sides, and then don't forget plus and minus. Therefore, you will get x equal to plus and minus 3, right? So even though we have just x squared equal to 3 like that, you still take a square root and plus and minus here. So you got x equal to plus and minus square root 3. So we solve this way here. Then now let's looking at a little bit more complicated square form. I mean completing square form, such as x plus 3 squared equal to 2 like this. Then now, because it is already completing square form, so we can follow how we solve like this basic format problem as well. Therefore, we still take square root on both sides, and don't forget plus and minus on the other side. Then this becomes x plus 3 equal to plus and minus square root 2. And now isolate x term alone, so subtract 3 here. Then you will get x equal to negative 3 plus and minus square root 2 here. Okay? So let's look at the following two problems. So the first one, 2x plus 7 squared equal to 49. So as easy to see, I'm going to name them as A here. Okay. So we do the same thing here. So basically, solve these questions, you're taking square root both sides, right? Then don't forget plus and minus here. Then this is going to be 2x plus 7 equal to plus and minus 7. Okay. Now, since this is the rational form, now you can divide this one as two different formats here. So which is 2x plus 7 equal to 7, or 2x plus 7 equal to negative 7, and you solve for x here. So now subtract 7, then this become 2x equal to 0, and divide by 2. So x equal 0 this case, and minus 7, then 2x equal to negative 14, and divide by 2. Therefore x equal to negative 7. That will be the answer for this problem. Okay. Then what about these questions? I'm gonna put letter B so that we can read easily. So letter B case. Now, the right side here, it has negative 25 please watch it carefully. Okay, so now same thing, we are doing square root on the both sides. Don't forget plus and minus. Okay, then this becomes 3b plus 2 equal to plus and minus square root negative 25. So the last time we talked about any value include negative sign of square root value, then this is going to be imaginary number. And now you can rewrite this one as plus and minus 5i. The reason is this one you can rewrite so plus and minus root 25 times root negative 1, and we define this is I, right? This is I. Therefore, this become plus and minus 5i here. So now this one you can just subtract 2 first. Then this become 3b equal to negative 2 plus and minus 5i and divide by 3. Then b equals to negative 2 plus and minus 5i over 3. That's the answer. Or you can make complex number form. Then b equal to negative 2 over 3 plus and minus 5 over 3i. Okay. Then you may wonder why I'm not combining two number 2 and 5 here. Because this 2 is real number term, and then 5i, they are imaginary number. So they are not the same number form. Therefore, we have to leave as complex number form, which is ax plus bi. Actually, a plus bi form. Okay.